In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create stacked cards on Framer, a platform that empowers users with no coding experience to bring their creative ideas to life in the form of interactive, high-fidelity prototypes. Our very first task is to arrange our cards. Now, imagine those cards as frames, each one serving as a container holding the information or illustrations you'd like to display in your stacked card presentation. Carefully place all your card frames into a larger frame, which we will refer to as the main container frame. This larger frame houses each of your smaller card frames, laying the foundation for our stacked cards. Now on to the second step, where we start setting the positioning of these cards. Each of these cards has a default position property that Framer sets as relative. We're going to change it. For each and every card frame nested within your main container, switch its position property to sticky. This step is crucial in ensuring your individual card frames will stay in place as they're being scrolled, creating a kind of layered, cascading effect that's visually striking. The third leg of our tutorial is to tackle the top values. Now, why are these important? These top values define how much space, or rather what kind of spacing, we want between the cards in this stack. Start with the first card and assign it a top value. For each card after that, increment the top value by a consistent amount. You could stick to round numbers like, say, 100, 110, 120, and so on. This systematic increase in top value is what provides the adequate spacing, giving rise to an appealing layered card effect. The fourth step in our tutorial ensures our stacked cards are visible at all times during the user interaction. This is where the overflow property comes into play. Given that it defines how a container should handle its children overflowing its bounds, it consequently determines what the user can see. Hence, it is vital that the overflow property of the main container frame, holding your card frames, including all its parent frames, if any, are set to visible. To add some extra pizzazz to your stacked cards, let's touch on some optional enhancements. Framer offers a sea of scroll transforms that can bring your card presentation to life. Depending on your specific vision, select each card or a group of cards, and, in the Effects panel, add transformations using the Scroll option. These transformations, such as scale or rotate, directly correspond to how the user scrolls, which could really ramp up the interactivity and user engagement. And there you have it. In these simple steps, you can make your own stacked cards on Framer, making your projects more interactive and dynamic.